Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing this using this palette right here. This is volume number 27, which is on the back, and this is Spoiled Cosmetics. I do work with them, so I do have a code for you, which should be on the screen now, that you can use to save yourself some money. And this is the colors of this palette. We will be creating this look right here today. So if you want to see how I created it, just keep on watching. Alright, to start off this look, we are going to prime, and we are going to prime my face with No More Pores by Dr. Brandt. This is the Luminizer Primer. That is for the face, and for the eyes, because I'm going to do it at the same time, I am using Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. This is the anti-aging formula, and I decided I like the original better, works better for my eyes, but for this video we are going to use that one. Lately I've been skipping the whole highlight thing with the concealer. Took me a minute to find the word, because I found it is highlighting my wrinkles and it's not really showing up much because my skin is already super light and I don't really feel like I need more light under my eyes or anywhere else, so I haven't been doing it. You can still do it if that's your thing, that's fine, but we are moving straight on to foundation, and this is, oops, that's not the one I want. I want this one. This is Fenty Beauty. Yep. The other one was 2. It's just in a different container. And this is Pro Filter in shade 180. So now we're moving on to eyebrows, and for the eyebrows I am using the Cream Shop Holy Brow. That is what it looks like. Kind of doesn't pick up. There you go. So I'm done with the eyebrows, and I want you to notice 2 things that I usually do. If you notice that I will go like that when I'm doing the brows, and that's because if I don't, I end up with like kind of a weird box look. The other thing is I'm really not changing my eyebrow shape too much. I'm really just filling it in and make it slightly thicker, because even though makeup in itself is not super natural looking, and you can do natural looks, I want my face to be natural enough that it looks normal in public and not too weird. And sometimes when you deliberately wear unusual colors, which we will be today, if you don't do it right, it will not look great in public. So with that said, we are moving right into our palette. That is this right here. This is Spoiled Cosmetics. I believe this, yeah, this is the volume 27 Pinata here, and we are going to start off with this light color and just kind of lay down the base over the eyelid. So now we're going to go straight into this dark color and kind of use that in the crease area. We're going to take when we dip it, we're going to do right in the crease, and then we're going to blend out, and we're going to do that to both sides. So your darker area is going to be in the corner on the outer part, and then it's going to gradually get lighter. Okay, so now we're going to take, I think we're going to take the peach color right here, this lighter one, and kind of buff that out a little bit. I think I want this. No, I'm going to use this yellow in the corner, and then I am going to use this green on the other half. Now we're going to take this dark green and deepen up that crease a little bit. And I apologize about the lighting going in and out. The sun and clouds keep playing games, and that's what's going on. Okay, so I think that's looking pretty good. So we're going to take this foiled green and go over the lid and give everything a nice pretty glow. Okay, so I'm going to take this gold and tap that just in the inner corner where the yellow is. Okay, so we're going to take the yellow here and this blue here and go under the eyes. So the yellow is going to go halfway here, and then the blue is going to go there. Same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to go back in with this gold and tap that over the yellow and the blue under the eye to give the eyes a little extra sparkle. Okay, so under the eye I am going to use, or in the waterline I'm going to use this by, what is this? This is Beauty by Pop Sugar and Be Resilient Stay Put eyeliner. This is a really, really light blue. So light, it's not picking up. There it is. Okay, yeah, so that's what's going in the waterline. Okay, so for top liner, I think I'm going to go with a black, a basic black. This is Black Hole Lasting. I'm not sure if that's the actual brand or not, but this is a K-Beauty brand, and I do like this very, very much. The eyeliner wears very, very nicely, so that is why I'm using that one, and let's go ahead and do it. Okay, eyeliner is done. We are moving on to mascara. For mascara, we are using Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions. I really like this one. It's not big enough. Okay, so yeah, I really like this one. It forms like a tube around your lashes and it does wear very nicely. You do not get the fallout under your eyes, which is another reason I like it. Okay, so eye makeup is done. We are going to do a little contour. I do have it right here, and I have a brush right here. Okay, so for contouring, we are using Summer Skin by So Susan Cosmetics. That is what it looks like. And I don't do anything heavy because, again, heavy contouring in daylight and out in public generally doesn't look the greatest. If you're doing pictures or you're on camera, heavy is great. If you're on stage, heavy is great. But that's not where I'm going, so I like to keep it light. Okay, as you can see, very little. All it did was give me slight dimension, which is all I want. So I am going to lightly dust with some translucent setting powder over the face, and I like to do my blush and highlight over that and not under it, but I like the contour under it because, again, I want that to look more like my skin than makeup. So I really don't put a lot of powder on the brush. I literally put a little bit and then just kind of wipe it in. So if you see me dipping a lot, it's not that I'm putting tons on it, because if you see, there's never really any fallout at all on it because I don't put that much on. It's just to keep things in place and keep my face from looking shiny, and that's it. So we are moving on to blush. We are going to use this palette right here. This is Formula Z Transforming Beauty, and I think I'm gonna use this color right here. I think that's it. I might go back in with the other. Yeah, I think I will. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one mainly, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of this on the cheek to give it a little bit more dimension. Okay, for highlight, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty. This is Hustler Baby. Oh, you can't even see it. There you go. That is my Fenty, and that is the color. Okay, so now we're going to set the face. We're going to use Hydra Setting Spray from Illuma Mask. I think I might double it because of the humidity and I want my eyes to stay put. So I'm going to double it with this setting spray. This is Miracle or something Miracle Mist from Tarte. So I think for our lips, we're going to use a liquid lipstick. This is Natasha Denona and Gazelle. And we're going to go over it with a little bit of gloss. And this gloss is, of course, Spoiled Cosmetics. And this is, Doll. And this is just basically a super glitter to pull in the gold from the eyes. Alright, so there is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you like this look? Is it not your favorite, or is it your favorite? Is this something you would try and wear, or not so much? Let me know down below in the comments. Again, I do have a code if you're interested in picking up the palette, and that is on the screen and down below in the whatchamacallit box down there. You know. Anyways, so that is it of the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more content like this. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.